What is up, YouTube? So today we'll be doing Booga Booga. This is the part 2. As you can see, last time I was making a tribe and stuff. So yeah, so much people without any tribe. If I can get these 3, these 1, 2, 3, and oh my God, I'll be and this guy, and I'll be unstoppable tribe. And oh, who joined? Oh, this is so good. I'm doing so good. So good. In the last video, I also got gold. Oh wait, I forgot. Come on, get this. Wait, this is a cactus? Okay, yum yum yum. Okay, that's good. There you go. Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember my steel. That's quick. Okay, see, okay. Good. Is that a mammoth? Oh my God, it's a mammoth. What should my color be? Oh, they took the black. Red. That's perfect. Red. Beast. It looks so scary with this. Like, I can't be noticed. Yeah, perfect. Oh, okay. Tribe in white. Tribe in white. And tribe in white. Oh, so much bolts. What is that? Oh my God. Whatever. A gold snail! Oh my God. You're so gonna destroy me, man. How much? Oh, 10 seconds later. I'm still smacking this mammoth. Really, really okay. The sound of like. No, I'm not gonna spend this entire video just killing mammoth. You know I do no damage with this. No, die, mammoth, die. This is just so annoying. You know, I give up. Just go find some people that looks like. Oh, come on, what's it? Ooh, look at these people. I'm gonna kill them. They have the children. Oh my God. It's fire tribe. Blue tribe person. Give me that food. Oh, bless me. Are they fighting? Alright, thank you. Sorry, Mr. Little People. Little Banto. Oh my. Ooh, what's these? Is this metal? Ooh, it's worth it. I'm just gonna destroy it. Worth it, worth it. Yes! Oh my goodness. What am I doing? Oh my goodness, man. I'm out. I am out. I'm out. I am out. I am out. Oh my goodness, this guy might be in my tribe. Stop fighting. Be my tribe. Chill. Let's be in the tribe. Red. Let's be in the tribe red. Also, I am making video. Also, I'm making video. I'm making a video. YouTuber. My channel is the channel is an OFP's gamer, but it shows you for gamer. Oh my. Oh no, please no. God no. No, Bonte, get on this, Bonte. I'm out. Ah! Oh, no. No. God damn. Oh, that person! I'm gonna dish. Oh my goodness. I lost everything. No! Oh my. I'm gonna destroy him for that. Oh my god. Why the world did you do that to me? I did not deserve to die. Oh my goodness. No. Oh my goodness. Oh my. The cord is messed up. Come on. So annoyed by that person now. Food. Eat. Yummy. Thank you for that. Let's go. Wait, is that an ant? Another ant? Wow, that's from like previous video that I made. But now, craft something before I destroy that ant. Wooden pick. And a wooden axe. Let's destroy it. Oh, this one's bigger than before. Wait, which one does more damage? This does too. Oh, okay. So I'll spend some time doing this. You wanna go, Ant? Oh yeah, you wanna go? Yeah, that's what you get. I need more stuff from the ant. Oh, a tree humongous. I'm not even to that level yet, so I'm not even gonna try getting that. And plus, I need some. Ooh, destroy it. Okay, come on. Oh my goodness. Pink Tribe, why are they popular than me? I'm a YouTuber. I mean, whatever. It does. If I'm a YouTuber, doesn't mean I'm popular too. Ooh. But still, why are they even more? Oh, they got 100 on this side. And 151. But I got gold on my side. Okay, I think they're launching an attack on someone. Pick. Let's go. Thank you. Some gold. Really good. It's a battle horn. This is a battle horn. You can't hear it from your place. Because I really don't even have. I'm gonna make a saddle. Saddle. This. This. I need a saddle. Saddle. Oh, come on. Okay, well, how do I get out of this? Yeah. Well, bad news, man. I gotta kill. And I don't like killing stuff, so. Come on. Oh, scared me. Sorry, little bottom. Oh, that was easy. Tremendously easy. Club. But the crystal stick I heard is the most powerful weapon in the game, and this video so far probably looked. It's a survivor. Wait, wait. Can I make a squad vote? Yes. Join the tribe of the YouTuber. He's no. Oh, come on. Come. Oh my God. Oh, you little monster. What's that guy? Join my tribe, please. I'm just gonna please. I'm hungry. Let's eat something. So, want to make a video. Okay, this is just gonna. Well, I'm gonna be back when. Okay, when I come to stuff. Okay, so. Okay, I am back, and yeah. So, wait, what the? Yo, what is that? Wait, what? What was that? No, look at that person. He's dead. There's a dead person. Oh my. There's a dead person right there. Oh my God. Oh my God, my camera is stuck again. Why does this happen? Why do you have to do this to me, camera? Haven't. Oh yeah, I remember. I already broke some stuff. I broke another ant mail. Just collect all these. Ooh, more gold. Ooh, I'm just hungry now. Uh, What's that? Oh my God. It's. Ooh. Tell him to join me and I'll be back. Okay. I'm just. Oh my. Oh, damn, this sucks. It's cold up here. It is? No, I hate doing this. Stop falling off. I got such bad skills. I mean, even though I do have good skills, but still, I won't be back when I'm up. It might take many attempts, so be back. Okay, I have no idea. I just teleport. The server is updating, so I just teleported here. What the hell just happened? So, yeah. And, yeah, that's gonna be the end of the video. As you can see, I did go up to the floating island, but you did not see. I wasn't recording. Oh, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like, turn on notifications to see all my videos, and also, yeah, please tell all your friends about this YouTube channel. Yeah, and bye.